Want to create and customize Instagram profile card but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to create and customize Instagram profile card. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Then tap on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Share Profile button. You can see the two sides of the card by swiping it to the left side. One side consists of QR code, whereas the other side consists of your profile details. In order to customize the profile card, tap on the pencil icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. You can change or customize the profile card by editing your profile and changing the background and color of the profile card. To edit your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now change the details that you want. To change the background, tap on the Change Background option. Now select the photo that you want in the background of your profile card. Also, to change the color of the profile card, tap on the pencil icon. Choose the Change Color option. After that, select the color that you want. Tap on the Done button. And that's how you can create and customize Instagram profile card. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.